Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fix the issue with the JBL Tune 760NC and if they are not turning on. So the first thing that you can try to do that change the cable. So this is the first thing. Also what you can try to do is change the adapter if it's possible, or like change the USB port with the cable. Maybe it's going to work out. The second thing that you can try to do is also leave it for about, I don't know, 3 to 4 hours on a charger. Maybe it's going to like fully charge and need more time. So this is another thing that you can try. Then try to hold the power button for about 1 minute and just hold it. And you will see if it's going to work out or no. And then try to just press it 3 times. So this is the first thing that you can try to do. Then another thing that you can try to do is that you want to hold the minus and plus button at the same time and for about 5 to 10 seconds, and you will see that it will stop blinking. So this is another thing that you can do, minus and plus for about 10 seconds. Have a great day and goodbye. Let me know in the comments if some of it helped you.